It's late, 11:37 p.m. You're slumped on your couch, phone in hand. The city buzzes outside your window, but it's the noise in your head that's deafening. Notifications stack, Upwork emails, Slack pings, a text you're overthinking. Your mind's a treadmill. Did I screw up that presentation? Why hasn't he replied? Should I send another message? Asterisk. You're exhausted. So tired. But you keep scrolling, keep chasing something. Approval, answers, control. Sound familiar? You've been here before, haven't you? Stuck in this loop. Running after things you can't quite name. Feeling heavy, but still moving. What if you didn't have to chase? What if what's meant for you just finds you? This is Stoic Simple. Today, we're not rushing. We're stopping, breathing, letting life come to us. If this feels like you, leave a quiet sign below. Just type, I'm here. Not for me, not for fame, but for someone else out there needing this moment to pause. Someone who's chasing, just like you were. Chasing is loud. It's texting someone who doesn't reply, then checking your phone every 5 minutes. It's refreshing your inbox, waiting for that job offer. It's replaying a conversation, wondering what you said wrong. It's effort, but no progress. Like running on a treadmill, sweating, but going nowhere. It feels desperate. It feels scarce. Attracting is different. It's quiet. It's walking your own path, steady, unhurried. It's focusing on your work, your thoughts, your breath, and trusting that what's yours will come, not because you forced it, but because you're ready. Like a lighthouse, standing still, guiding ships without moving an inch. Marcus Aurelius once said, accept whatever comes to you woven in the pattern of your destiny. Chasing fights that pattern. Attracting flows with it. It's not about giving up. It's about letting go of the need to control everything. It's about being enough, right now, as you are. Epictetus put it simply. Wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. When you chase, you're screaming, I need more. Asterisk. When you attract, you're whispering, asterisk, I'm enough. Asterisk. That shift changes everything. Think about it. You're a freelancer, obsessing over a client's email. You rewrite your pitch 3 times. Check your inbox every hour. You're chasing their approval. Now picture another you. You send the pitch, do your best, and move on. You trust your work, speaks for itself. You're not desperate. You're magnetic. Which one feels lighter? That's what we're exploring today. 10 ways to stop chasing. 10 ways to attract what's meant for you. Not by doing more, but by being still. By being you. Ready? Let's begin. Principle 1. Let go of the need to fix everything. You're in a Zoom meeting and someone misreads your idea. Your chest tightens. Your brain screams. Correct them. Defend yourself. Asterisk. You want to jump in, set the record straight. But what if you didn't? What if you just let it be? Epictetus said, ceremonial only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. You can't control how others see you. You can't fix every misunderstanding. Trying only makes you heavier. It pulls you away from your center. Next time it happens, try this. Pause. Feel your breath. Ask yourself, does this need my reaction? Asterisk. Most times, it doesn't. Most times, the world moves on without your correction. And you stay calm. You stay clear. Think about a friend who always seems at ease. They don't jump to fix every awkward moment. They don't argue every point. They just exist. And people are drawn to them. Why? Because they're not chasing approval. They're not fixing what's not broken. They're magnetic. This isn't about being passive. It's about choosing your battles. It's about saving your energy for what matters. Your work, your peace, your path. Let go of the need to fix everything and watch how much lighter you feel. You're not a repair, not a mechanic, you're a lighthouse. Stand still, attract what's yours, say it quietly, I am a magnet. Principle 2. See the end before you begin. You're starting a new project, and your mind's already spiraling. What if I fail? What if I'm not enough? Asterisk. You're halfway to panic before you've even begun. But what if you pictured something else? Not a grand victory, not a perfect outcome, just one clear moment. You finishing the first draft. You hitting send on that email. You feeling calm. Seneca said, "If one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable." You don't need to see the whole journey. Just one step. One intention. Picture it like a snapshot. What does it feel like? What do you hear? What's around you? Make it vivid. Make it yours. Try this. Before you start your day, close your eyes. See one small thing done well. Maybe it's writing 200 words. Maybe it's listening, really listening to a friend. Hold that image for 10 seconds. Let it guide you. It's not a plan. It's a direction. A quiet compass. You've done this before without knowing it. That time you imagined a tough talk with your boss and it went better than you thought. Or when you pictured a chill night with friends and it felt just right. Your mind shapes what's coming. So shape it with care. Shape it with clarity. This isn't about dreaming big. It's about seeing small. Seeing true. When you know where you're headed, even just for today, you move differently. You're not chasing. You're walking. And the world notices. Say it again. I am a magnet. Asterisk. Principle 3. Do what you can. Then step back. You've sent that email to a client, and now you're checking your inbox every 10 minutes. Your stomach's in knots. Did they hate it? Should I follow up? Asterisk. You're chasing their response. But what if you trusted your work? What if you let it go? Marcus Aurelius said, "Do every act of your life as though it were the very last act of your life. Put your heart into it. Give it everything. Then walk away. The outcome? That's not yours to control. The effort? That's all you. Next time you finish something, a pitch, a post, a conversation, try this. Say to yourself, asterisk, I've done my part, asterisk. Then close the tab, shut the laptop, move on. It's not indifference. It's trust. Trust in your work. Trust in the world. Think about a time you nailed something and let it be. Maybe you cooked a meal, shared it, and didn't beg for compliments. Or you helped a friend and didn't need a thank you. You felt light. You felt free. That's what this is. Doing your best, then stepping back. It's magnetic. Chasing the result only clouds your mind. It steals your peace. But when you let go, you make room. Room for what's next. Room for what's yours. You're not forcing. You're flowing. Whisper it. I am a magnet. Asterisk. Principle 4. Become what you seek. You want a friend who listens, but you're half distracted when they talk. You want a partner who's honest, but you fudge the truth to avoid conflict. You want respect, but you're hard on yourself. Notice that. What if you started being what you want? Marcus Aurelius said, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." Your thoughts, your actions, they shape you, and you shape what comes to you. If you want kindness, be kind. If you want depth, go deep. It's not a trick. It's a mirror. Try this today. Pick one quality you admire. Maybe it's patience. Maybe it's courage. Practice it quietly. Hold the door for someone. Speak up in a meeting. See how it feels. See what shifts. You're not chasing. You're becoming. You've seen this work. That coworker who stays calm under pressure, everyone gravitates to them. That friend who's always real, you trust them. They're not chasing connection. They're living it. And it's magnetic. This isn't about changing who you are. It's about leaning into the best of you. The you that's already there. Be what you seek and watch the world meet you halfway. Say it softly. I am a magnet. Principle 5. Stop holding the reins so tight. Your weekend plans fall apart. Flight cancelled, friends bail. You're pissed. You want to fix it, force it, make it work. But what if you didn't? What if you let the day unfold? What if you let go? Epictetus said, Make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. You can steer, you can try, but you can't control the wind, or the waves, or people. Gripping tighter only makes you tired. Next time life swerves, pause. Ask, what can I still shape? Asterisk. Maybe it's your attitude. Maybe it's your next step. Focus there. Let the rest slip. It's not giving up. It's freedom. It's trust in the flow. You've felt this before. That time you stopped micromanaging a project and it turned out fine. Or when you let a fight with a friend cool off and it resolved itself. Letting go didn't break you. It freed you. It's magnetic. Holding tight feels safe, but it's a trap. It keeps you tense. It keeps you small. Loosen your grip. Breathe. Let life surprise you. You're not controlling the world. You're living in it. Say it. I am a magnet. Asterisk. Principle 6. Savor the small, quiet moments. You're walking to work, earbuds in, mind racing. Then you notice a bird chirping, the air crisp, the world still for a second. Your chest loosens. Why does that feel so rare? Why does it feel so good? Seneca said, "The greatest blessings of mankind are within us and within our reach. Those tiny moments are good coffee, a stranger's smile, a deep breath. They're not small, they're fuel, they're reminders. You're here, you're alive. Try this. Today, notice one moment. The warmth of your mug, the sound of rain, a coworker's laugh. Linger there for 3 breaths. Don't judge it. Don't post it. Just feel it. It's yours. You've had these moments. That sunset you couldn't stop staring at. That song that hit just right. They didn't fix your life, but they made it lighter. They made you present. And that's magnetic. Chasing big wins blinds you to small joys. But those joys, they're what keep you sane. They're what make you human. Savor them. Collect them. They're your anchor. Say it quietly. I am a magnet. Principle 7. Be who you are, unapologetically. You're at a party, and everyone's flexing better jobs, better trips, better lives. You feel small. You want to puff yourself up, sound cooler. But what if you didn't? What if you just said, what's true? Epictetus said, know first who you are, and then adorn yourself accordingly. You're not perfect, you're not fleshy, but you're you. Your quirks, your passions, your quiet thoughts, they're enough. Stop hiding them. Try this. In one conversation today, be real. Share a weird hobby. Admit you're tired. Say what you actually think. It's not about being loud. It's about being honest. See how it lands. You know someone like this. They don't try to impress, but you can't stop thinking about them. They're raw, they're real, they're magnetic. Because they're not chasing approval. They're just being. Hiding who you are is exhausting. It's a mask that weighs you down. Take it off. Let yourself breathe. The right people will see you. The right moments will find you. Whisper it. I am a magnet. Asterisk. Principle 8. Wait before you move. You get a text from a friend and it's vague. We need to talk. Asterisk. Your brain's off to the races. Asterisk. They're mad. I screwed up. Asterisk. You want to reply now. Fix it now. But what if you waited? What if you gave it an hour? Marcus Aurelius said, no great thing is created suddenly. Trust takes time. Clarity takes time. Rushing only clouds your mind. Slow down. Give the world a chance to settle. Give yourself a chance to think. Next time you feel that urge, text back, argue, decide, pause, count to 10. Ask, is this worth my energy? Asterisk. Half the time, it's not. Half the time, waiting shows you what's real. You've seen this work. That time you didn't snap back in an argument and it fizzled out. Or when you slept on a big decision and the answer was clear. Waiting isn't weak. It's wise. It's magnetic. Rushing feels urgent, but it's noise. It's chasing. Waiting feels like power. It's choosing your moment. It's choosing your peace. Be still. Be patient. Say it. I am a magnet. Asterisk. Principle 9. Know where you're headed. You're scrolling Twitter, and everyone's life looks better. Bigger wins, shinier posts. You feel lost. You feel behind. But what if you had one clear focus? Just for today. Just for you? Seneca said, "If one does not know to which port one is sailing, no wind is favorable." You don't need a 5-year plan. You need a purpose, a quiet one, something that feels true, something that feels like you. Try this. Tonight, write one intention, something small. Asterisk, I'll listen to my coworker tomorrow. Asterisk, asterisk, I'll finish one task without rushing. Asterisk, keep it simple, keep it yours, let it guide you. You've felt this before. That day you decided to be kind, and it shaped every talk you had. Or when you focused on one goal and the noise fell away. Clarity isn't loud. It's clear. It's magnetic. Wandering feels free, but it's heavy. It's chasing shadows. Knowing your direction, even for a day, feels like wind in your sails. Pick a port. Steer toward it. Say it softly. I am a magnet. Asterisk. Principle 10. Value yourself quietly. You're asked for a favor. In your drained meetings, deadlines, life, you want to say no. But guilt creeps in. Asterisk. They'll think I'm selfish. Asterisk. What if you said no anyway? What if you chose you? Epictetus said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength. Your time, your energy, your peace, they're yours. They're precious. Stop giving them away. Start guarding them. Try this. Today, notice when you're stretched thin. Maybe it's a call you don't want to take. Maybe it's a task you don't need. Pause. Say, not now. Asterisk. See how it feels. See how it frees you. You know someone who does this. They set boundaries, and it's not cold, it's clear. They value themselves, and others value them too. It's not arrogance, it's respect. It's magnetic. Chasing approval makes you small. Valuing yourself makes you whole. It's not loud, it's not selfish. It's saying, asterisk, I'm enough, and meaning it. Say it, I am a magnet. We've walked through 10 ways to stop chasing. 10 ways to let life find you. Not by doing more, but by being still. By being you. Picture yourself now. It's evening. You're by a window, city lights flickering outside. Your phone's off, your mind's quiet. You're not running, you're not forcing. You're just here. Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. That strength is yours. It's in your pause, your breath, your choice to let go. What's meant for you doesn't need your chase. It needs your presence. Tomorrow, when the world feels ludemails, texts, noise, remember this. Stop. Breathe. You're not behind. You're not lacking. You're enough. And what's yours? It's already coming. If this felt like a moment to breathe, leave I'm here below. Not for me, but for someone else needing this pause. Someone who's chasing and ready to stop. Keep breathing. Keep being. You're a magnet.